The reason that people may need a hip or knee replacement is usually due to wear and tear. So our joints are made up of cartilage, and there's bone under that cartilage. That cartilage starts to wear out, and now you start to get bone rubbing on bone on the hip or knee. And when that arthritis gets severe, when you're starting to get that bone-on-bone arthritis, then the pain may get severe, and patients with hip pain may feel pain in the groin or on the side of the hip. Patients with knee pain, could feel pain on the inside or the outside of the knee, depending on how it's worn out. And when the pain and disability get to a point that the patient can't do the things they used to enjoy doing, can't have the same level of function, that's when we resort to a hip or knee replacement, when the arthritis is severe, and once we've exhausted non-surgical measures like anti-inflammatories, bracing, injections, physical therapy. If those measures are no longer helping, and the disability is great, then we go to a hip or knee replacement. There's a number of different types of implants that have been used for hip and knee replacement, and the technology is improved. Hip and knee replacement involves a metal component and a plastic part, and it's a wear-resistant plastic, and that's improved a lot over the years to last longer and not wear out. The knee replacement or the hip replacement can be different from surgeon to surgeon. I prefer the lateral approach, but doing an anatomic repair of the tendons. So that's going through the side, but the front of the hip, and then putting back those tendons that are responsible for balance and making sure you don't have a limp exactly back where they belong.
Initially, I was operated on by another physician who discovered that I had mass infection in my right hip. Both of my daughters are pediatric nurses, and they sought out help. They knew how critical my situation was, and they were directed to Dr. Deheshi. He came into my life at a time in which I was in a very bad way. He got involved and literally saved my life. My daughters said that if it were not for him, I would not be walking today. He made the difference in improving my quality of life, and now today I'm able to walk. You can't find a better doctor for your time and for your body.
With a knee replacement, it's very important to pay close attention to the ligaments and the soft tissues, and I also use a special approach where I split the muscles, where I don't go through the quads tendon, and that helps the patients regain their function and have less stiffness issues. And I balance the ligaments. I use a special tensioning device that makes sure that the knee has the same tightness when it's straight and bent, so the patients don't have issues with stiffness as much, they don't have instability issues, and that's crucial in making sure that the patient regains full function and the knee lasts a long time.
I have arthritis in the knees, and I had over 15 surgeries on the knees, which the knee became bone to bone, and I was unable to walk for over 15 years. If I did not get it fixed, I was going to wind up in a wheelchair. Dr. Deheshi did a total knee replacement on the left knee. I was able to walk. I didn't have to worry about being in a wheelchair, and after 15 years, I am happy I had the surgery. He sits down and he listens. That's something that a patient really needs to have by their side when they're going through a lot of medical problems. Dr. Deheshi has a good personality. He told me everything that I needed to know, and it made me very happy to have him as my doctor.